I wanted to do a quick video on this suede M tricolor wrap that I did on the wheel. So it's from a kit on eBay. Unfortunately, they do not make an exact kit for the early M5 wheel. So that's what this is. This is the Series 1 E39 M5 wheel, which you can also have on E39 M Sports. But the later E39 wheel was a little bit smaller. It's the same one in E46 M3, and like this section was cut out. The steering wheel was much smaller in the center. So I had to kind of adapt this wrap. But you can see it's got the red stitching on either side, and it's pulled together by a light blue and a dark blue thread, giving it that M tricolor all the way around. It came out really nice. It's been really comfortable. I did it over the factory leather, so it added a little bit of girth to the wheel, which made it really nice to hold on to. It made it feel more like an E92 M3 wheel. So that was nice. And it has held up wonderfully. I mean, it was only like $40. The suede feels really good in your hand. It gives you a lot of grip, especially when I was doing some spirited driving. The leather on here was impossible the time that I tried to autocross it. I wanted to give you guys a better idea of what you're looking for the car. This is the exact one you're going to need for the Series 1 M5 wheel. As you can see, it doesn't say M5 anywhere in the title. So looking for an E36 M3 wheel or a Z3 M Coupe wheel is what is going to help you find this. Unfortunately, I was not able to find it when I originally was looking for a cover 2 years ago for the E39. So I had to find one that was close enough, adapted to the car. This should fit perfectly, add a really nice modern sporty touch to the interior of your E39, especially if your steering wheel is cracking from age like mine was. So as you can see in the pictures here, it's the exact one you're going to need. Of course, you can get it for the Series 2 M5 wheel or the standard 5 Series wheel, a lot easier. You're going to be provided with this wrap here, which has this red stitching all along the border of the wrap. And then using the provided needle and thread, you're going to pull either side of the wrap together around the wheel. They'll provide you with instructions, needles, tools. And then I just requested 2 different types of thread. I got the light blue and the standard blue, and together with the red, it made a really nice M tricolor look all the way around the wheel. The only other option you have to choose is whether you want the leather with or without the holes. The seller that I bought mine from had the option of suede, which is what I went with. It's held up extremely well. Now, of course, this is something that you could make your own. So if you wanted to cut off the factory cover and use that as a template, you can use whatever material you want, including Alcantara. And this may also be available from some more legitimate suppliers, but I had no problem with this one from China. And for $30, it's really hard to beat. Even if you wanted to order it and just use it as a pattern, it is a great deal. Even with 2 years of daily use, mine still looks brand new. So this has been a great, worthwhile upgrade. It looks really nice. I get compliments on it anytime someone sees the interior of the car. And I just think it adds a nice sporty touch to it without drawing too much attention to itself and being gaudy. So if you guys have any questions about that or any comments, drop them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.